Here we go. Maybe?
Yeah, look, we've got 3 points. Well, I've got
Oh, right.
what do I do? It's mine, it's closed. It's still
Hang on
running.
to it. Hang on. Give it a go. See what happens. Yeah. Anything's possible when you get a free poncho. That's what you don't do.
Oh, it's wet. I don't like it.
Well, it's going to be wet. It's water right.
Party folks at the level stop, please remain fully seated. Ride motion will begin momentarily.
You ready? It's a good commentary and let's it. I think I'll flip this over too. Maybe when we go down the big drop, we'll have it facing us. Is that sensible? Yeah. Something like that. You've got to put wax on it. It's the swimming pool, isn't it? Darn swimming pool.
I had tried already.
I see what they mean about the queue may be a bit longer for people, definitely. It's going to take 10 minutes to turn around for one carriage. But yeah, they're going to have problems today.
Sorry, we're 2 hours late for our last class.
It's fun.
We're rubbish. We're stuck around there.
Those people, not so happy. These people, pretty happy.
It's not happening.
Crowds are happy.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's on. Today.
12 hours later. No, I go now. Still waiting. And it's midnight. Oh no, it's like, I'm sure it's like 7 in the morning. It's past 7. Because it's 12 hours later.
Oh, right.
And now it's about 7, so it's past 7 a.m.
Yes.
I find.
Yes, I do.
Oh god, you know the name.
Party folks at the level stop, please remain fully seated. Ride motion will begin momentarily.
This is very boring.
I don't know what's going on.
I'm trying to think of that's the log then. Does anyone want to look at the log?
Rock? No.
Yeah, there's I want to look at this rabbit.
Oh yeah, the rabbit.
Rabbit.
Zooming rabbit.
I don't either. So,
Just about to go.
hopefully.
Oh,
Yeah, we got all that actually.
it's not dark yet.
No.
Can't be here that long.
Yeah.
Why don't you grab the GoPro? What's that? Is that a good idea?
Party folks at the level stop, please remain fully seated.
Yeah, there you go. Hold that. You can point at you or point behind, whatever. We're just going to sit here and enjoy. It's nice to have to sit down here sometimes, isn't it? You know? You're walking around, getting tired, getting hot.
So we were literally talking about a minute ago SeaWorld for some reason, even though we're not going there. I don't know about you, but so we're going there tomorrow. 2 days?
Not sure.
I don't know, we're not sure. We've got
I'm not sure how many days you need. What's the date?
One day.
I think we've got 5-day tickets, but we're going to take 5 days. Oh, we're going to 5 days.
Party folks at the level stop, please remain fully seated.
You only use the last.
We've got people standing up.
Not in ours. I think on the other bits. Earlier they said about please remain seated. Stood up. And there was a minute ago when they had to get it off. Let's set the back and then bring the release to the bars. And then they have to go and look at the bars. The one that was right now, the one wouldn't open. So, right. Hopefully we're going to get in trouble because it's not going to work. I'm not sure what happened, and we'll...
Parks with the lobby staff, please remain fully seated at all times.
Anyway, yeah, this is Splash Mountain. This is where you get on the ride. This is the ride, actually. You have to picture a splash on a mountain in your head.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah, you have to, basically what you have to do, you have to picture about two mountains. Pretend it's a really big splash. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Oh, I don't know. That was it, I think. No, it comes to the exactly right. Like Space Mountain, Space Mountain. Single space. I don't know, Space Mountain. I don't know. They do some what kind of...
Broadcast report to
I
tower.
think he's not.
Oh dear.
No.
Attention on splash current down immediately.
Report to the tower. Report to the tower. Yeah, Parks Mountain just run away.
There's about 9 of them. Hold on for a moment. Hello.
Hello. This is quite exciting. I'm keeping the poncho. I didn't get to ride, but I'm keeping the poncho. What is the tower? What is the tower, and where do we report to it? Everyone has to report to the tower. What is the tower?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're sorry, but we are unable to continue our travels on Splash Mountain at this
You are
time.
joking.
And will be supporting the attraction at this time. Please stay seated in your lobby until a cast member arrives to assist you.
I
Again,
don't want
please
to
remain
go.
seated. Do not
Can we like
leave the
hold a
lobby
sit-in
until
protest or something? That is the first time that's ever happened to me. Yeah. That was not that much fun, to be honest.
Wasn't that ride amazing, guys?
Check it out. I did get a Expedia local expert from Orlando, Florida. No, wait a minute. I want a fast pass. Do we get a fast pass or something?
You might be, you should be on your way up.
Yeah? Okay. Well, the ride's down. Here we go. Bye-bye Splash Mountain. That's very sad. All the cast members have to report to the tower.
They went running off to the tower and we were sat in the
Tower of
for about
London.
5 minutes and now we have to leave.
As such, they were evacuating the ride. And I will tell you what happened was, just as we were about to get on, they accidentally set a...
Boat?
What do you call them? Boats. They set a boat off and didn't lock down the lap bars. So did someone go over the drop without a lap bar? That would probably not be that much fun or safe or anything. So they didn't stop the music. This is bad. This is quite serious now. Hello.
So we go to the train.
You guys have your cards?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, even the ride thing, the photos down. So look in the background, even Q is being evacuated. We don't know what's happening, but this is
This is
obviously
very
quite a
strange.
serious...
This is in shutdown mode
This
completely.
isn't a joke.
No, this is not going to be
This
up
is
and running
everybody
soon.
get out now. Go. Run.
Well, the one that went off and they were shouting, put your lap bar down, put your lap bar down.
Yeah, that's not a good idea. That's not a good sign. When you're on a ride, leaving the station, about to go down a 50-foot drop, and they're shouting, put your lap bar down.
Which they
I'd
should have
imagine
checked in
it's
the first
somebody's
place.
job to actually check the lap bar. And then all cast members report to the tower. So we're about to see an ambulance turning up or what? There could be medical people outside when we get out there. Or there could be a pile of bodies on the... Let's hope not. Let's hope everybody had a good time and everybody got off safely. But yeah, this is not good, obviously. Either for a cast member who's lost their job or for the people on the ride. I don't know. Huh? Yeah.
They're not even letting anyone in the shop now.
Seriously?
They're not even letting anyone in the shop.
We're about to see some ambulance people, I would imagine, and something has gone horribly wrong today on Splash Mountain. We thought we had a tornado here a couple of days ago. Now it looks like bad things have happened. But we're going to just hang around and see what's happening quick, because this could actually be quite serious. I don't know. So yeah, she's shouting all cast members to the tower, and all the cast members ran off upstairs. Before that it was put your lap bar down, put your lap bar down, which is never a good sign, as we've said already. So yeah, we've got a fast pass for Thunder Mountain in about, I'm not even sure, 7:05, so I think 15 minutes. So we may just hang around here 15 minutes and see what happens. Oh no, they've just given us another fast pass, haven't they? Because we've got kids off this. Don't know what we're going to do with that one. We shall see. Hopefully the next ride is better than the last one. Yeah. Exciting and terrifying and a day in the life of the theme park, I guess. Let's see what happens. See you later, guys.
There's probably a back.
And then, well no, because there's a stuck vehicle there, so there would be another one behind them. They're the only ones who have gone down. Yeah? They're the only people that have gone down that drop. And the people there in the carriage here, in the boat here. Yeah, look, you can see there's like 5 vehicles. There's a couple on the ramp going up. I wonder what has happened. It's not like there's anyone screaming.
That was crazy. And we were trying to, I tried talking to the worker I saw, and she was like, totally disregarding it. She was like, and I was like, you're a great Disney worker, like, thank you so much. Like, wow, you're the rudest person I met here all day. And it's like she was screaming like, oh, please, like, no kid should feel like that. You know what I mean?
I don't know how much you guys could hear that. Kind of, you know when your skin goes like really goose pimples and you're not happy. That situation. That girl was devastated. She's had probably the worst day of her bloody life. I'm certainly not going to film her and put it on, but I did just happen as I was walking past the cast member, and it just happened that they were letting these last people and stuff in the boat off, and yeah, apparently they were stuck right near the ride. There was people screaming. It was a horrible situation. We're still letting the children see. I think these are the very last people coming on the ride right now. Yeah, this is like a 6-year-old girl who's terrified. So I don't know exactly. I'm not going to go and ask them. Yeah, let's forget it.